National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Fayette County in southwestern Pennsylvania, northeastern Greene County in southwestern Pennsylvania, southeastern Washington County in southwestern Pennsylvania, southern Westmoreland County in southwestern Pennsylvania until 6 p.m. At 3:52 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Radar estimates that over 2 inches of rain has fallen in the past hour in parts of the warned area. Some locations that will experience flooding include California, Mount Pleasant, Scottsdale, Brownsville, New Stanton, Fredericktown, Millsboro, Perryopolis, Ligonier, Jeffersonboro, Calumet, Norvelt, Spears, Isabella, Bell Vernon, Linwood, Pricedale, West Brownsville, Roscoe, Everson, Deemston, Fayette City, and Newell. This includes the following highways: Interstate 70 in Pennsylvania near mile marker 39, Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 77 and 89. Please report flooding by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. This is No Weather Radio WW.